What's up, everybody? Alright, so I decided to take a couple minutes out of the night tonight to film a little something that I'm going to try. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'm way too curious not to find out. So every night I come home and I see my bikes, but specifically I pull into my garage and I see the back end of this beautiful bike here. And you know, it looks awesome, but this has got me wondering, you know what I mean? So I came home tonight from Taco Tuesday after work and I said, you know what I ought to try? I love the seat on this bike. The seat is really comfortable. I think it looks pretty good. But like, how can I expose more of this rear fender and make it look a little bit smoother? And I said, well, hold on. Check this out. I still have my Mustang wide tripper seat from my Softail Slim. Now, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I mean, this pretty much has that same Softail slant here in the frame. I mean, will it work? Won't it work? Will it work? Won't it work? I think we should find out. So the first thing you need to do is loosen this bolt back here. Take it out very carefully. Don't want to scratch the paint. And then somehow you got to undo the seat. I have never done this before, but I have a feeling that this little strap right here is attached underneath somehow. So we're going to be very careful. Oh, okay. It is attached. It is attached under here by this little bolt. So let's get the tools we need. So the next thing you want to do is get your 10mm ratchet out and loosen this little bolt right in here. Okay, so make sure that when you're loosening the bolt out of here that you want to like hold your hand underneath here, because there's a part. Now it won't come off because you got your little washer here that'll keep it in place. But basically this seat has the front little area where it clips on here, but then it also has this little back fastener that will attach back here. But you also have this strap with your little 10mm bolts in it that will fasten it down into the center here. You can leave that. All you have to do is swap these two out in order to get your single seat in place. So let's try to do that, but with two hands. Okay, so my curiosity has been just about quelled here. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. It's not fitting. It's not the correct fitment. I can abandon all hope. If anyone is trying to replace your stock 2018 or 19 Softail Fat Bob seat with something from an older model Softail, good luck! Could I have Googled this? Could I have saved myself all of this trouble and just Googled this? Of course. But you know what? Where's the fun in that? It's time to blame ourselves for our own mistakes, not some internet entity. Oh, Taco Tuesday, you had me feeling so optimistic. You just get those tacos in you, man. You get those tacos in, you're feeling good. You think you could just do anything to your bike, but no. But damn, look at that rear fender though. So I will say that this kind of sucks. Like just the rattling around of the seat and like dirt getting sprayed up in here underneath. Like this shit gets dirty, so just like take it off every once in a while and like clean this. Alright, I'm gonna put this seat back on now. Oh, I feel like such a loser. At least I can start to check on some things in here and take a look. But otherwise, I am sticking with the stock seat. Also, just a little FYI, you don't have to be a gym class hero like I was. You could totally leave this strap bolted on. You just pivot this off to one of each side, and you just kind of like slip this part out once you take out the back bolt. And that's all you really have to do. But, you know, why not? Also, do you guys like my little sun pass mount there? All right, everyone, have a good night. Bye.